What is it? It is a lacrosse. I don't know what year it is. This one is Tweezy's. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go, man. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. All right, y'all. You know what I need you to do, man. I need you to hit that thumbs up button for your boy, man. And let's, man, we've been growing rapidly, y'all. So let's get this video at least up to 200 likes. Let's do it. Also, man, if you are new to this channel, man, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy, the notification bell as well. And then do not forget to follow me on all the social media platforms. The links are in the description below, along with a whole bunch of free money, free stocks. I got the list of my supplies that I use every day. As far as like me being a car dealer, it gets me through where I need to get through. So if you can go down there, if you're a potential car dealer, go check that out. And then for any of the potential car dealers that are thinking about getting into business, go check out the actual playlist. I have a playlist set up for you guys, and it's for potential car dealers. So go check that out. I think that'll help you guys out a lot. Anyways, man, right now I'm on my way to Chris's. The Honda Accord is not done all the way, but it's done. It's semi-done. Let me just say it's semi-done. So we did the wheel bearing in the back, and then we did the rear brakes and rotors. So far into the Honda Accord, I'm 625 bucks in. So right now I'm getting ready to go swap the tires out because he said the rear tires are cupped. So I got to go change the tires, and then what else are we doing? Doing an oil change. So I'm being very proactive right now. He is Chris. I'm talking about Chris, y'all. When I say he's at his main job right now. And so we are going to be proactive while he's doing that, and then tonight he's gonna come back and fix the bumper, or tomorrow morning. He said one or the other, we're gonna get that figured out. But I'm just trying to, like I said, knock these cars out, do as much as I can. I'm still waiting on all types of parts, so I'm just trying to be proactive, man. So anyways, man, I'm gonna see you guys when I get to this car, and I guess we're gonna drive it and see what it do. So here's that Honda, man, for you new guys. Still look the same for your old guys, but yeah, we still haven't cleaned it out or nothing. I was trying to get that mechanical work done. I did notice this, y'all. Look, back off while I deploy your airbags. Little bumper sticker that they had put on when they bought it from me. But yeah, man, so here's this dirty old interior. Most definitely got to get this cleaned. I didn't see all this dog hair back here either, so I'm most definitely getting this detailed. And like I told y'all before, that headliner got to get replaced. And then another thing that I had noticed too, you guys, was that on here, these visors or whatever, they're not even sticking no more to where they need to be. So they must have had like some real heavy stuff up there. So I got to get that repaired. Comment below, let me know, would you even repair that? But yeah, so as far as the bumper goes, I don't even know why he put all this tape on here, man. I just literally popped this in myself to see if it'll hold, and it seems to be holding. So I think we're gonna be good. The only thing that I need for Chris to do is, if I feel like doing it, is I'll have him fix this right here. But I don't know, it's not gonna cost me anything extra. I already paid him for it. He's just knocking that in for free, so might as well get it done. But yeah, so, and then we got that rip in the seat right here. Then they were smokers, so they just ashing on the floor, so they didn't even care about this car, which sucks, but whatever, man. We'll get it done. Most definitely got that Android system in there right there, y'all, so that's good. And it's got 226,000 miles on it. I thought it had less than that. I think I sold it to them with like 200, so they put like 20,000 miles on it. Okay, y'all, we're gonna test this out. About 20, 35, 40, 50. So now I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's a lot less noisy than what it was before, you guys. So that the wheel bearing, most definitely, and then the rear brakes and rotors, because I was getting a lot of noise coming from that right here corner over there, and he said that's where the brakes and rotors were the worst. So with that being said, that fixed that, and then that left wheel bearing, that made a lot of that noise go down. So now I'm not even getting all that crazy shaking that I was getting before, y'all, in the steering wheel. So that's real good too. So I'm gonna throw this thing on the highway now, and then we're gonna get this really up to speed right now. And then we're gonna see if we get any like crazy vibrations. So I'm thinking, man, I might be able to get away with just that rear tire if everything goes smooth once we get it up to a higher speed. So let's cross our fingers. Okay, let's see what she do, man. Are we up to 60? 65. Alright, I'm not even really yeah. Yep, that shaking's coming from the back. I am getting some shaking once I hit about 70, y'all. And I'm hearing all that tire noise coming out of the back. So yeah, I'm thinking that we're gonna be good, man. Yeah, we're gonna be good, man. So let's get to this tire shop, let's get this oil change done, and then we're gonna go from there, man. I'm trying to hit this auction, man, so that's like my main goal today. So let's get it. Just got them tires installed, y'all. I'm over here at ATM Tires, you guys, over in Hopkins. He gave me a heck of a deal, man, so shop with him most definitely. You know how we do on the channel. Got some good tires, man. I got 4 tires for 200. He did try to get me at first. I talked him down from 260 to 200. So 4 tires all around, you guys. I haven't driven it yet, so we most definitely gonna drive it and see what it does. I know we thought just because of the tires were cupped that was it, but the front 2 tires, they were like messed up in the inside on the tread, probably from before when we ended up fixing it. Well, obviously you guys don't remember, it's been about a year since we had this car, before we bought it back from the customer, but we did the front end or whatever. So yeah, man, so we're gonna drive this joint, see what she do. Hopefully we ain't got no more noise and everything's straight. Then we're gonna get this oil change and then see what's going on from there. My brother Mike just left, so I'm actually about to link up with him a little bit later, and I'm gonna help him out because he's got to go pick up a car or whatever. Let me see how okay. No noise. No noise. Y'all know I be getting happy. I get happy when I rebuild these cars, man, as you should, because you should be giving the best dang product you can give somebody, man, before you put them on the road, man, for real. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on the highway though. We're gonna see what it sounds like and what it do on a high speed. Moment of truth. 40, 50. Okay, this thing riding like a champ, man. 55, 60. Hey, we got money. We got money, y'all. This one's gonna be a real good one, man. This is gonna be a really good one. That's all I can tell y'all, man. The way that it's driving now, so now we officially 825 into this car, you guys. So that's really good. Oil change is gonna cost me 25. That's gonna put me at 850. I wouldn't expect to spend more than $120 getting the detail and getting the headliner repaired. Maybe 150. So what would that put me at? $1,100 for a 03 Honda Accord with the leather interior with the Android joint, with good tires and a good body. And once this thing's cleaned up, it's gonna be a transformation, y'all. So I'm most definitely gonna make some money on this. I'm excited for sure. So y'all should be excited for me, man. But anyways, man, I'll see you guys in a second. We gotta get to the next destination. Storage, y'all. The new storage. And yeah, so basically I'm picking up this car right here. If you guys can hear that exhaust, getting ready to get that fixed. The exhaust guy just told me that my whatever car that was, my Chevy Malibu is done. So I'm going to swap that joint with that so we can get this exhaust fixed. And yeah, we're gonna pick up that car, and I'm gonna end up actually bringing that to Chris, because the other mechanic, man, he just all over the place when it comes to that car. So I'm just gonna bring it to the person that I know that can actually diagnose it correctly. I'm just trying to obviously be proactive, y'all. Been kind of going through these hurdles with these mechanics, man, all of them, to be honest with you. So trying to figure it out, man. We can keep it moving and grooving like always. I give you guys, let me actually show you guys what this thing's looking like right now, because we still got to detail this one, man. This is for the new guys. I already put a lot of work into this thing, man. It's got that rust right here, the young Minnesota rust. Let me actually throw this back here. See, I be struggling trying to do these vlogs, y'all. That's why I had to take a break. But yeah, it's not too bad, but I might end up doing this myself. I don't know yet. I need to do it because I need to save some money on some of these cars, but I'm just trying to be proactive, y'all. That's the biggest thing right now. Good morning, y'all. It's a brand new day, man, and I didn't get any footage for you guys yesterday because it started raining, thunderstorming, all types of crazy stuff going on yesterday. So yeah, no good weather for footage yesterday. So we need to stay safe and we need to stay dry, man. But what I got back there, y'all, is a young transmission for the gold Chevy Malibu Max, man. So Chris said he's gonna be knocking that out this weekend. Me and Mike, we ended up dropping off the burgundy Malibu yesterday so he can figure out what's going on with that misfire. So we did end up getting it to the actual exhaust shop, and he got that fixed and all that good stuff. So we're straight there. G6, man, I decided I'm not even gonna do the exhaust on that, y'all. It's no point at this point because so much money into it. I'd rather just make like a couple $100s on it and then just be done with it. So I'm going to do the detailing myself, you guys, once I get a little bit of time, and just punt that thing, man. I don't even care at this point. It's a couple of these cars that like I'm just like, just get rid of it. And a lot of these cars I feel like I'm just going to hold on to them. Most definitely, like I'm not going to sell myself short on them because I know once tax times hit, then I'll be able to get all my money. So I'm gonna play it, for the long game. I'm not gonna just get that instant gratification for a little bit of money right now. I'd rather just get my money, towards that tax time. That way I'm not, doing a repetitive circle where, the prices go up for the cars and then I'm paying more, then ended up making the same amount of money. So that doesn't make any sense for me to do twice as much as the work and then get the same amount of profit. You know what I'm saying? But right now, you guys, I'm on my way, getting ready to actually meet one of my good friends, man, that I've known for many years, and we are going to see if we can get a money face. So he's going to be checking out some cars. We'll see what he thinks about them. He usually likes like Hondas, Toyotas, and Acuras, the foreign cars or whatever, but his transmission on his Acura went out, so he wanted to check out a couple of my Chevys. That Honda Accord is not ready for sale yet, but we'll see what he ends up wanting to see. I'm going out to the office first. We'll see if he likes anything there. If he doesn't, then we'll see if he has enough time to go check out the stuff at my other storage, and then we'll just kind of go from there, man. So let's see what happens. We are at the lot, you guys, and I'm gonna give you a little inventory update with what we got over here. We got that 2013 Chevy Impala. This thing hasn't been started up in a very long time. Let's see if she starts up, man. I'm dropping keys, hold on. We got a lot of cars, man, that nobody came out and checked out. Throw this on top of this thing. Let's see, man. Let's see. 2013 Impala, man. Let's open her up. This thing I drove for a while, actually, y'all. I just never saw me on camera really with it. Let's see if she started. Oh, she started right up. This been sitting here, man, for about it's got 223 on it, you guys. It's been sitting here, sunroof. I gotta give y'all a little features. But it's been sitting here probably for a month, and I haven't started it up. So that's good. That's a good sign. Good battery. Let that start up. I'm trying to get these. I like to let the cars warm up so I can get the fluids running through them. See what we got over here, you guys. We got that 07 Impala. Let me see. I'm dropping stuff. It's the red one. This is the LTZ one. That one over there, the black one, was the LT. Let me see. Oh, I think I lost it. Nah, the key right here in my pocket. Start this one up. This one's got the leather interior. I think it's got like 180 something on it. Let's start her up and see. Service tire monitor. 182 is on this one. So pretty decent. This one doesn't got the roof though. I never seen a LTZ without a roof, which is whatever, but that's that. What else we got over here? We got that Ford Edge. Start this up. This one I would love to get done. This would be a nice little pocket full of money coming back to me once I sell it. I put a lot of money into this. Started right up to 184,000 miles on this one. So that's good. The only one that I believe is not going to start up is going to be that Acura MDX right there. Let's check out this Lucerne over here, or Lacrosse. I don't even know what it is. What is it? It is a Lacrosse. I don't know what year it is. This one is Tweezy's. He didn't vacuum it out or nothing, but let's start it up. See what she do. I don't even know how many miles is on it. Oh, it started right up. That's nice. This one's got 145 on it, so that's pretty dang decent, man. So yeah, let me go back with this Acura, show y'all what that do. Hold on. Damaging the merchandise. So we having that. So yeah, this is the Acura MDX. Pretty sure we need to just change this battery out, man. This one is one Tego's been messing with. Okay, yeah. Battery's dead on this, so I'm gonna need to start this joint up for sure. But it is a nice one, man. I never showed you guys the interior of this thing. Pretty nice, man. Ended up having to do like a serpentine belt and some other stuff. Well, that did not go as planned. So he most definitely liked the cars that I got and everything, but he didn't have any money. So he only had like 500 down. And he didn't communicate that with me, so he thought he was going to be doing a buy here, pay here, but I can't do a buy here, pay here with $500 down. But good thing is I know people, and I connected him with a really good friend of mine that happened to have one car left for 500 down, so he's on his way out there now, and he's going to get ready to buy that, and I'm glad because now he's going to be able to get to work. So the story behind why he's getting a car for 500 down is because it's Acura. It took a crap, the transmission went out. So yeah, man. So anyways, man, I'm not gonna bring you guys along with me today. I gotta do some catching up, and I don't want to get distracted. I got a lot of stuff to work you know, on the back end. But I do appreciate you guys for rocking with me, man. If you are new to the channel, man, welcome to Major Nation, man. Welcome to the family. Matter of fact, you ain't part of La Familia yet until you go over to IG. That's Instagram, man. Chucks_Daily Hustle. Go give me a follow, man. I've been trying to get to 1,000 followers on Instagram for a very long time. So go help me out, man, and help the video out by pushing the thumbs up. That's going to help the algorithm out. Comment below. I do appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.